Hey guys, starting this for a third time now. Welcome back to another hella belated Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the January 2023 premium box. Yeah, I did it backwards this time. I did premium instead of the regular one first. What of it? Anyway, at least there's only 2 more months after this one, and then we're all caught up on the old school Boxycharms. Holy crap. So, anyway, diving right in. We have our little card that says so fresh and so clean. I actually added up the values of everything in this box, and it comes to $258.50, which, for the price of what the premium subscription was, that is not bad. So, in no particular order, we're just going to reach in and start grabbing stuff. So, we have, what is this? This is from Woma Beauty. Okay. Like, it took me a second to find where's the brand on it. Woma Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. This is $19.50, and I think this is the cheapest thing. No, it's the second cheapest thing in this box. And it says, this bestseller is now dripping in gold. The unique hourglass-shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. So I like all like the Egyptian like hieroglyphics down the side. Little scarab beetle over here. And now I'm like, well, now I need to look at the tube. I'm not gonna open it up and introduce air to it before I'm properly ready to use it. But I just want to see. There is like no chance of me doing this without tearing it, huh? I'm trying to find anything I can use to try and get under there. Maybe a knitting needle. A knitting needle could work. Just anything that is on this desk that might fit under there to just help go boop. Pop it up without ripping it, hopefully, maybe. Maybe. Ha. Nope, ripped it. Damn. Okay. Well, it was worth a shot. I was like, if that doesn't work, it wasn't gonna work anyway. So, but ooh, it is pretty. It is pretty. Gotta hand it to him. Alright, that's pretty cool, I gotta admit. So, that's nice. We've got that. We have, from LYS Beauty, the Think Bright, whoops, accidentally. See, the last box didn't want to open. This one opens too easy. The Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I may or may not already have this, or I may have something else from this brand that's also a serum, because I swear I just saw this box earlier today. But anyway, this is $28, and it says, instantly awaken dull, uneven skin with this weightless, radiance-boosting serum that's sure to brighten and quench your skin's thirst. Infused with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, this face serum is the secret to supple, youthful-looking skin. So that's cool. Got that. From Item Beauty. R.I.P. Item Beauty. Missed them already. This is the Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lucky Line Longwear Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. And it's just in black. And it's retailed for $14. And it says, an ultra soft, easy glide, clean gel pencil that is water, sweat, and smudge proof for intense, long lasting pigment and a creamy matte finish. So many brands make these claims. So few of them actually hold up to it when I test them out. So we'll see whenever I get around to reviewing that. Next, let's see here. That is looking weird. I don't know that I trust this. Like, let me show you what I'm talking about. You're seeing that, right? That's inside the tube. Don't know about that, and it's got weird smudges on it here. I might just not with this. But this is from Ofra Cosmetics, and it's their long-lasting liquid lipstick, which retails for $20. Again, I don't know. I don't know about that one. But it says, fall in love with mattes again with this ultra comfortable and long lasting lip color that stays put but doesn't dry out your pout. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, lips are healthy, pigmented, and perfectly lined for up to 5 hours with this yummy scented formula. Let me just see if Maybe it's like some weird ass windowing? Or actually, maybe it's bubbles in there, because as I'm wiggling the wand around, those are disappearing. Like straight up. Alright, maybe it's. Yeah, now they're reappearing elsewhere. So I think it's just the way it settled. False alarm. It doesn't explain the weird smudge that was on the cap, but. Still smells hella chemical, though. Don't know how I feel about that one. I'll come to a conclusion on that another time. So, we have that. Ooh, we have a Dominique Cosmetics in here. This is the Unconditional palette. It retails for $28 and it says, colors you'll adore for the moments you'll cherish. This palette includes 6 warm, buttery shades ranging from rosy hues to rich burgundy. With a mix of shimmers, mattes, and even a glitter finish, you can create endless looks for all the gatherings and fun events ahead. Ultra pigmented, super blendable, and perfect for those days and nights. Well, let's see here. Oh, so the color names are Love and Light, Warm Hearted, Soul, Corazon, Eternal, and Jaden. Alright, let's see it. That's what it looks like. And it's got a little sticker over the mirror, so I don't think I need to block it because it shouldn't reflect super bad, but like, ooh, look at that sparkly one especially. That's pretty nice. Alright. Most of these look pretty wearable, and even like that dark ass one. Like, I mean, I have a shade almost identical to that on today in like the corners, so I'm not scared of that color. Just saying. If anything, I'm scared of that chunky ass glitter one, but the rest of them all look very wearable. So, alright. Let's pop that back in for now. And finally, the big daddy that's in here that most of the value comes from. This is the Offer Cosmetics On The Glow Pro Palette. This is $149 just on its own. Yeah. Yeah, so glow like you mean it. The ultimate tool for creating a bronzed glow, the stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones. Whether you are a makeup artist on the go or a beauty enthusiast who loves variety, this palette is all you need for a glam that shines AM to PM. So, alright, let's see it. 6 shades in it. We've got a Blissful highlighter, an Egyptian clay bronzer, an Americano bronzer, a California Dream triangle, Beverly Hills highlighter, and Rodeo Drive highlighter. I think I have the full size of the Rodeo Drive highlighter. Yes, I do. Oh, and the names are also in here. I could have literally just done that. So, yeah, these are kind of cool. Check those out. Yeah, I most definitely have this guy already, but these are also like the full sizes that you would buy like the individuals of. I really like that Beverly Hills one though. It's got like 5 shades in it. The Egyptian clay one has 4 in it. Honestly, these are pretty cool. These are pretty cool. And also, because they have these little divots here, you can pop these out and stick them in any of the compacts that you might have from Offer that you may have used up already. You can reuse them that way because they're magnetic. Which is part of why this costs so much. They know what they're doing. They also know you might pop this out and swap it for one that is from a compact and put it in here in its place. So, versatility. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So that was January's Boxycharm premium box, and yeah. So anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.